The Coach Carmen Mini Crossbody Bag is a stylish and functional accessory that has received positive reviews for its quality, design, and versatility. Description: the Carmen bag features a sleek and compact design with a flap closure and a magnetic snap. Handbag made from high-quality materials, including smooth leather or signature jacquard fabric. The Coach bag comes with a detachable crossbody strap for hands-free convenience. The interior is lined with a soft fabric and includes a slip pocket for organizing small items. Reviews: many customers have praised the bag's quality and durability. They appreciate the compact size, which is perfect for carrying essentials like a phone, wallet, and keys. The versatile design allows the bag to be worn as a crossbody or a clutch. Some customers have mentioned that the bag may be slightly small for those who carry a lot of items. Color: the Coach Carmen Mini Crossbody Bag is available in a variety of colors, including black, brown, red, and signature jacquard. The price of the bag varies depending on the specific style and material, but it typically ranges from $250 to $350. Overall, the Coach Carmen Mini Crossbody Bag is a well-made and stylish accessory that is perfect for everyday use. It offers a convenient way to carry your essentials while adding a touch of luxury to your outfit. However, it may not be suitable for those who need to carry a lot of items.
I'm going to show you guys the colors we have for the new Carmen Mini Crossbody. First color I have here is Faded Blush. Next color I have here is Faded Blue. This color I have here is Oak Maple. Last color I have here is Black. All of these bags do come with a chain leather crossbody strap. This also does come in a larger size. Check out my next video and I'll show you over there.